Hi, grade 9s. So in this short little clip, I just want to go over the model answer for page 63. Unfortunately, I tried to do it as a, as a document reader where I was writing along the way, but that didn't work. So I'm going to show you the final result, but then I will try to make a better video tomorrow. Okay, so let me show you what I have got. Okay, so look here. This is my Come on. Okay, this is my model answer that I was trying to do. Okay, so let's just see how it works. So in the video, I said, here is the starting point. All right. In other words, the blood has been oxygenated in the lungs because oxygen passes into the air sacs and then diffuses into the capillaries, and then all the capillaries unite, and then oxygenated blood is taken away from the lungs. All right, and you can see here how it enters the left atrium. But remember, you're looking at someone, if someone's standing in front of me, I'm looking at their heart. So even though it says left on this side, it's actually right of the page, and the right side of their heart is on the left of the page or the left of the screen. Okay, so oxygenated blood is taken to the left atrium, the left side of the heart. The atria contract, and we'll fit all of this in. Don't worry if you're not getting it yet. And then the blood is forced into the left ventricle, and the ventricle has got quite a thick wall, so it pushes the blood out when the ventricles contract. And the largest blood vessel in your body is the aorta, and it's going to branch to take blood to all the different parts of your body. So well done to those of you who realized over here that you could either take a left turn or a right turn. So oxygenated blood is taken to the head tissues. Well, not just the head. I've written here the arms, the shoulders, the neck, the skin, the scalp. Okay, so oxygen and nutrients diffuse out of the blood and into the body cells, and then CO2 diffuses from the cells and into the blood. Okay, and then deoxygenated blood is brought back from the arms, the head tissues, the neck, and those blood vessels unite or join. Okay, they unite or join to become this one large vessel. It's called the superior vena cava. Now, this is all going to fit in. There's a lot of new words here now. As long as you're understanding the movement of blood, okay, or the flow of blood. So the superior vena cava is bringing the deoxygenated blood back from the top of your body, the arm, the head, the neck, the shoulders. Looks like I'm doing a dance, all right? And that superior big vein, vena cava means big vein, superior from the top part of your body, that blood enters the right atrium. Okay. Some of the oxygenated blood was taken by the systemic arteries to the lower part of the body. Now, systemic means arteries taking blood to the systems of the body. So at the top here, to the top systems of the body. Here, the branch is taking blood down to the lower parts of the body. So your trunk, where all your digestive organs, your kidneys, your liver, your reproductive organs, etc. are found. Okay, so all of those organs and tissues receive oxygen and nutrients, which diffuse into the cells, and then cellular respiration takes place, etc. And then carbon dioxide and other waste diffuse back into the blood capillaries, and then all those capillaries join from all the different organs, lots of veins joining, and the blood is taken back to the heart. Now, because it's returning from the lower part of your body, it's known as the inferior vena cava, and vena cava means big vein. So there are two big veins entering the right atrium, bringing deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide-rich blood back to the right atrium of the heart. So then the atria contract, and that deoxygenated blood is forced into the ventricle. There's a little valve over here, like, a little doorway, but that we'll talk about in another lesson. And then the ventricles contract and blood is forced up out of the ventricles. So deoxygenated blood leaves the right ventricle of the heart and gets pushed back towards both lungs. And that's where carbon dioxide will diffuse out and into the air sacs, and the whole process starts again. So oxygen diffuses into the blood vessels of the lungs, and then those blood vessels take oxygenated blood back to the left side of the heart. Left ventricle to the top of the body to the lower part of the body. Deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body to right atrium. From the upper part of the body to the right atrium. Then atria contract, then the blood goes into the ventricles and back to the lungs. But now the atria and the ventricles are contracting at the same time. So what's happening is blood enters both atria. When the atria contract, blood gets pushed into both ventricles, and then blood, when the ventricles contract, blood is forced out of both ventricles, deoxygenated blood back to the lungs, and oxygenated blood to the body. I hope that helps a little bit, and in the next little clip, we will add more to this diagram.